Is switching from a non-IT job to IT job is difficult? What are your views? It all depends on how much time and energy you are planning to commit. If you want to get into hardcore software development, become an awesome programmer, get into product companies, the journey can go from anywhere from 6 months even up to an year. But if you want to spend very less time, then probably you can spend 3 months. It all depends on which skills you want to pick up. If you want to pick up skills like software testing, software quality, then it may take anywhere between 2 to 3 months and you can apply for QA roles. However, the pay scale will also be less to begin with. But if you want to become a software developer in a service industry, then you may need at least 6 to 9 months. And if you want to be a developer in software product companies, it can even take an year to prepare for it. What kind of subjects and what kind of details or what books to refer to if you want to make this journey? For software engineering, you have to become good with programming. Practice programming, learn computer science fundamentals, building software products, be it applications, whether it is front end or back end. One of the biggest question is which programming language to learn or which programming language to begin with. You have to know that you have to master one programming language and learn it really well. From there on, you can try to learn another 1 or 2 languages based on what kind of technical stack you want to work on. As a beginner, lot of universities and colleges are teaching Python to learn. When I studied engineering, I started with C programming. It really doesn't matter whether you start with C programming or Python as long as you learn it really well. What do I mean by learn it well? You should have ability to write code for simple to medium complexity problems which you haven't seen before. Take a paper and pen, try writing a function which can count odd and even numbers in an integer array. If you are able to write this code with all the checks and balances with appropriate function names and test it thoroughly, then probably you have mastered coding in one language. The next step is something medium to an advanced level where you need to learn about a lot of advanced data structures like hash, dictionaries, trees, linked list, and graphs. If you master these data structures and learn how to apply these data structures to solve problems, then you will be ready for the product industry. As you are learning programming, along with that, you also need to learn computer science basics. The computer science basics involves details like processes, memory management, how compiler works, how internet works, how browser works, how the network works, how the memory management happen when the program is running. Lot of these fundamentals play an important role as you develop software. Lastly, you need to study the high scale systems. There are wonderful resources and books in the internet that can help you. I'm going to recommend 3 books for this journey. Cracking the Coding Interview by Gal Lackman helps you understand what happens in the interview process and different algorithms, including the data structures. There is another wonderful book called Data Structures and Algorithms Made Easy by Narasimha Karamanchi. This is a wonderful book to get a good grasp on data structures and also figure out how iteratively improve the solution. The last book is System Design Interviews by Alex Zhu. This book has come out recently and covers wide range of design questions from different product companies. Writing clean code, writing bug-free code can get you a job anywhere from starting with 3 to 4 lakh salaries, even all the way up to 20 lakh per annum. It all depends on the depth that you are willing to go and how much time and energy you want to spend.